do. Good seeing you. And thanks for the follow. All kinds of beeping and noisy stuff going on right now. And we are on 4. This is 4B. Oh shoot, I did that wrong. Because this was supposed to be... Damn it. Oh, damn it. I did that, didn't I? Oh, son of a... I can't believe I just did that. Yeah, I'll try to be there. Not too early, it's 11 o'clock. So... yeah. That's what I did. I just did that. I can't believe I just did that, but I did it. That was me. That was all me. It was all because I turned this thing around. I knew there was a reason I had them set up that way. I don't know how I'm going to fix that. I don't know if I can fix that. Yeah. Yeah. That's a tough one. Oh boy. Just I measured the data in the wrong direction. Damn. Well, unfortunately, I think that's a clear sign for me to call it a night, because when you start doing things like that, it only goes down from there. Again, next scheduled stream is going to be Tuesday morning at 11 a.m. All the stream times down below, except for impromptu ones like this one. All my social media down below. Check it out. I got a blog. I've got Facebook, Twitter, Instagram's a big one, and archives obviously go up on YouTube, which is just about all YouTube's good for anymore. But yeah, it's great seeing y'all, and we'll see you next time.